Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today we're working on the Camaro. The coolant needs to be replaced, and while we're in there we are going to replace the low coolant sensor. I'm currently headed to work on her right now, driving old reliable. I just want to reiterate to you guys that just because I sold the Camaro doesn't mean that there won't be Camaro content on the channel. After I told you guys that I sold her, a lot of you reached out to me saying that that was the reason that you started to follow the channel and that was your favorite car on the channel. There were some of you that were upset, which I get and is understandable. But as I said before, and as you can see now, there will be more Camaro content on the channel. Speaking of Camaros, check out these two awesome Camaros that are for sale right now in Utah. This 88 IROC looks like it's an amazing car. It's in great shape. It has low miles. It's been well taken care of. It's just that it costs a lot of money. I definitely want to get an IROC back in the stable, but I don't think I want to do it at that price point. And there's also this 94, which looks like a really good deal. It's in great shape, it has low miles, it's an awesome color, it has the 6-speed manual transmission, and I think that the price point is pretty fair, especially if the guy can come down a little bit. So let's say money is not an issue, and you could choose between those two cars. Which one would you choose? The 88 IROC or the 94 Z28? Let me know in the comments below. I think I would choose the IROC, but it would definitely be a tough choice. There's a sweet Fox body right there. Looks like a nice little project car. There she is in her new habitat. Here she is, guys. So it looks like there's some sludge and sediment in the coolant and especially in the reservoir. So we're going to change out the coolant. I'm not sure how well this is coming up on camera, but as you can see, or hopefully you can see, that the coolant looks a little brown.
It looks like there's rust in there, like you put more water than coolant, so it's rusted and sediment settling in the overflow tank.
So my niece has obviously done some things to make the car her own, which is great. She bought this dash cover, which is nice. That's something I was meaning to do but never did, but it looks pretty good. Sorry about all the noise, guys. It's probably gonna be a noisy video. It's Saturday morning and everyone is out and about. This is what we just drained out of the radiator. All right, we've removed the battery and coolant reservoir and are now working on flushing out the reservoir.
That's a lot of gunk. A lot of gunk, look at that.
This is not good, guys. Obviously, this coolant reservoir has never been cleaned out.
Getting better.
Okay, so after about 1 million flushes, I think we're about there with the reservoir. This is where the low coolant sensor is located, and we've decided not to change it out today because, as it turns out, it's a little pricey. It's anywhere from 60 to 80 bucks, which is a little bit more than we want to spend on a sensor right now, so we are going to skip it and do it another time. To clean out the block and the rest of the system, we are going to run some Blue Devil radiator flush and water through everything. She still sounds good. Okay, we've flushed out the system a couple times and are gonna call that good for now. Here's a look at some of what came out. Just more nastiness. Everything's buttoned up and the car is running, so let's go for a ride. All right guys, I'm just finishing up the test drive and she's running well. The temperature is almost at 185, which is just about right for this car. So mission accomplished. I know that that flush wasn't perfect, but we got the job done, and I think the main thing that we needed to accomplish was get all that sludge and sediment out of the reservoir, and we did it, so that's good. There's more than one way to skin a cat. I know there's a lot of other things we could have done, but I think for now, what we did will work. And down the road, we may just have to do a couple more drain and fills. That is gonna do it for this video, guys. I wanna thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing the Camaro back on the channel. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.